Space is not empty. It's a theater of unimaginable forces, strange objects, and cosmic mysteries that defy everything we know about science. Today, we'll explore some of the weirdest and most mind-blowing objects in the universe. Things so extreme that they sound like science fiction, but they're very real. Let's start with the most famous mystery of all: black holes. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. Imagine a giant star, many times larger than our sun, running out of fuel. Its core collapses, crushing matter so tightly that nothing, not even light, can escape its pull. What's fascinating is the concept of the event horizon, the invisible boundary around a black hole. Cross that line, and you're gone forever. For an outside observer, time appears to freeze at the event horizon, which means, in theory, black holes are natural time machines. And here's a fun fact: if Earth were compressed into a black hole, it would be the size of a marble, tiny, yet it would still have the same mass and the same gravity pulling everything in. Next are neutron stars, the incredibly dense cousins of black holes. When a star slightly smaller than one that creates a black hole dies, it doesn't collapse completely. Instead, it forms a neutron star. Picture the mass of our sun squeezed into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across, the size of a city. 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. And some of these stars, called pulsars, spin hundreds of times per second, shooting out beams of radiation. To us on Earth, they appear as rapidly blinking cosmic lighthouses. Scientists even discovered a neutron star with mountains only a few millimeters tall. Because its gravity is so strong, nothing can rise higher than the width of a credit card. Now imagine a planet without a sun, a world wandering through the galaxy in eternal darkness. These are called rogue planets. They were once part of star systems like ours, but gravitational forces kicked them out into the void. Despite being alone, some may have thick atmospheres or hidden oceans beneath icy crusts, kept warm by their cores. Here's the chilling part: there could be billions of rogue planets in our galaxy alone, more than the number of stars. If intelligent life evolved on one, it would live under a pitch-black sky with no sunrise or sunset. Let's step into the invisible, dark matter. Right now, everything you see, planets, stars, galaxies, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The rest is something we can't see: dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is like an invisible glue. Without it, galaxies would spin apart, because the visible matter simply isn't enough to hold them together. Scientists discovered its presence only by noticing how galaxies move. They behave as if something massive, but invisible, is pulling on them. It's one of the biggest mysteries in science. We know it's there, but we don't know what it is. Now, let's look at the brightest beacons of the universe: quasars. Quasars are powered by supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. As matter falls in, it heats up to millions of degrees, releasing energy so powerful that the quasar outshines the entire galaxy around it. Some quasars are 1 trillion times brighter than the sun. Think about that. One object, smaller than our solar system, shining brighter than billions of stars combined. And because they're so far away, the quasars we see now show us the universe as it was billions of years ago. They are cosmic time machines, giving us glimpses of the early universe. Finally, let's visit one of the strangest exoplanets we've discovered: HD 1897-80. It's located 64 light-years away, and from a distance, it looks like a beautiful deep blue marble, almost like Earth. But don't be fooled. Its atmosphere contains silicate particles, tiny pieces of glass. And because of the planet's violent weather, it literally rains shards of glass. Winds there reach up to 7,000 kilometers per hour, which means this glass storm doesn't fall straight down. It blasts sideways. Imagine standing in a hurricane that cuts through everything with razor-sharp shards. A beautiful world from afar, but deadly up close. The universe is filled with wonders that stretch our imagination. Black holes that bend time, stars that spin like cosmic lighthouses, lonely planets drifting in the dark, invisible matter holding galaxies together, and storms of glass on distant worlds. The truth is, we're only scratching the surface. The more we look, the more mysteries we uncover. Which of these cosmic wonders fascinated you the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you love exploring the universe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing space facts. The journey has only just begun.